Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Gladiator key fob battery. First, gather your tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2450 3-volt battery. This specific battery type is crucial for proper function. Having a clean, well-lit area will make the process much smoother. No battery lasts forever, but replacing this one is easier than you might think, saving you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot located at the bottom, near where a keyring would attach. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle but firm twist, you'll hear a slight pop as the two halves of the fob begin to separate. Work your way around the perimeter, prying gently until the cover can be removed completely without force. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR2450 battery. Use your screwdriver to carefully pry it out from its compartment. Be gentle to avoid damaging the internal components. Now, take your new CR2450 battery and insert it with the positive side facing up. Make sure it clicks securely into place, ensuring a good connection. This step is vital for your key fob to function correctly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the case, making sure they fit together perfectly. Apply firm, even pressure around the edges until you hear and feel the case snap shut completely. Once reassembled, test your key fob by pressing a button to ensure the LED light blinks, confirming it's working. For a fresh scent in your ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.